Hello, this is Professor A.N. Shetty from Rajendra Mane Polytechnic, delivering a lecture on microprocessor. My FDP ID is 56. Whenever you heard a word microprocessor, when you heard a word microprocessor, you get thinking of it is a hardware part which perform all which process all the instruction which are given to computer. But how it actually perform all the how it actually process all the instruction. There are some internal parts of a microprocessor. First part is ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, which perform all arithmetic and logical operations on behalf of microprocessor. Second part is register, which is used by microprocessor to store the data temporarily. Register is very less amount is having a very less amount of memory storage capacity. Third part is control unit, which generates various control signals on behalf of microprocessor. The fourth part is input output unit. Input output unit control all the communication, all the interaction to be performed with all input output devices, because all input output devices are dependent on microprocessor. Buses, these are used by microprocessor to transport data towards and from microprocessor. Data bus is used to transfer data. Address bus is used to transfer address, and control bus is used to transfer all the control signals. All these buses transfer only binary amount of a data. So means its width, when you say 8-bit width of data bus, it means that it can transfer only 8-bit amount of a data. Cache memory is used to store most frequently used data. This memory is available on microprocessor itself. It is used by microprocessor in order to speed up the execution of instruction, as it minimizes memory cycle. It removes the search process of search in a memory, as all the data which is frequently used is available at microprocessor. This is the architecture of microprocessor. Microprocessor is interacting with input devices, output devices, and memory unit. This is this is the evaluation of microprocessor. First microprocessor is 4004, which is of 4-bit, and 64-bit. First 64-bit microprocessor is Pentium. What is the bit of what is the size of microprocessor? Size of microprocessor is nothing but how much amount of instruction it can perform at at single unit of time. The first microprocessor is 4004, which is of 4-bit microprocessor, and nowadays, and which is of first generation. Nowadays, all the microprocessor are of 5th generation. This is the 20-bit pin diagram of 8086. All address, data bus, all the control signals, all pins are covered in that pin diagram. This is non-pipeline architecture where each instruction get executed serially. If it requires three sub operations, then it requires 9 clock cycle to fully execute complete execution of 3 instructions. But in case of a pipeline architecture, it is possible that more than one operation can be performed in the same clock cycle. So only 5 clock cycles are required.